Hi, how are you? Okay, here I want to make a short video to show how to create a store from scratch.
Well, here in the store you have all the blocks. Examples: the first one is Fashion. Amazon sends more of the best-selling products. Some electronics, then you have a Kindle, books and toys. Here is Amazon. And in Amazon, you have a page called Bestseller. So, for example, you can see in all the departments you see, for example, and what is selling good. The best product now of the movies, so let's make a store of Toy Story. So let's go here. And we are going to do something like this. We can go to Store Topic. And in Store Topic you are going to put Toy Story and saved. That's it, you will see. Let's choose which categories we want to do, for we think it's going to be good. For example, I think fashion for boys is good with Toy Story. Some also toys will be good. We need this more for kids. We have a lot of templates here. And here, we have one for kids that looks very nice. Okay, so now let's see our Toy Story store. With the button. And here we have a fashion for boys. All things about the story, scrolling and searching and searching. And if someone click, boom, you have 90 days of cookies with Amazon affiliates, and we have our store. So we can send this link to anywhere, to Facebook, to Instagram, to Google Ads, what you want, and sell the products and get your commissions.